What's up, everybody? It's Original Dobo, and it's really early here right now. I wouldn't say really early, but it's about 8 o'clock. And I just woke up to a massive amount of comments saying that that's the original Mavic Pro. Now, the comments I received are from people that are probably following OsitaLV. And there was a tweet that had happened, and I think my good friend, Bill the Drone Reviewer said to me, he goes, "Hey, did you see this?" And it is a photo of a woman basically sitting in front of her, she's sitting in front of her collection of drones, or what appears to be of her collection of drones. And there's the photo right there. So I don't know how the hell we missed this. Like, both him and I both looked at the same photo, and we both saw what we wanted to see. The bottom line is that this guy trolled the living shit out of us. Like, literally trolled us. Trolled a lot of people, which I don't know why he would do that, because it not only hurts us, but it hurts his credibility for anybody who's going to look for him for information. Bottom line is this: if you were going to leak something, and I said this before on my first episode of Up in the Air Live, from now on, come to us with physical proof. If you draw a photo of something, I'm going to call bullshit. This is not imaginary. This is either you are leaking actual information or you're not. That's it. And let this be a cautionary tale for anybody who wants to create a video on leaks that are basically vaporware at this point. I mean, we basically really got trolled. And if it seems like I'm pissed, I haven't been this pissed since I lost my Phantom back in December. I really haven't been this pissed in a while. Because it's annoying, because you make a video and whatever, and then you find out that a lot of the information wasn't there. Now, I did include a lot of the words possibly in the video just because I was still a bit skeptical. Anytime I pull some XF data off of a photo, it's because there is some skepticism there. But yeah, I don't think I'll be making another leak video with any information that he provides. There's got to be another reliable source. This dude seriously needs to look at EvLeaks and learn how to be a leaker. He needs to look at EvLeaks. Don't follow him. Don't follow him. If you're following OsitaLV, stop following him. Don't give him any attention. He's a fanboy that has a drone that maybe knows somebody. I'm ranting a little bit because I'm annoyed. I'm really annoyed. I really, really am annoyed. I've got some awesome videos that are in the works. I'm just going to focus on them. If you watched the video, I apologize. But I will make it up to you guys. I promise. I promise. I will absolutely make it up to you in the next video. Alright, anyways, I got some videos to work on. I got this little guy that I'm shooting today, doing some comparison footage. So, alright, I'm